Good morning, children. Today we are going to start chapter 6, Geometry. Children, you know that geometry is very interesting and you have already done some of its part in class 2. You have done the straight and the curved lines. Now today we are going to learn how to draw lines using dot grids, plane and solid shapes, and we also compare the shapes. So let us start with the straight line. So how do we make straight line? In class 2 you have learned that if we fold a paper, then a crease is formed at the center, and when it opens, then it looks like a straight line. Okay, so this is a straight line and we can represent straight line like this with the arrow at both the ends. Now this arrow at both the ends shows that it can extend at any length like this. We can extend it like this. We can extend here from here or like this. Okay, and this also shows that this line has no end or no start. So let us draw a straight line on a sheet of paper. So what will we do? We'll take a sheet of paper and a pencil, and we put the scale on the sheet of paper. Then we draw a line which is run along the scale from the start till the end with the pencil. Okay, then we remove the pencil and the scale and we get a part of the line like this. So we put arrows at both the ends. So this shows a straight line. So some of the parts of straight line are the edge of our book, our thread when it held tightly. Then a straight line may be horizontal, it may be vertical, or it may be slanting. Okay, so these are the horizontal straight lines, these are vertical straight lines, and these are the slanting straight lines. Okay, so dot grids. Now we'll start with the dot grid, how to draw a straight line in a dot grid. Now an arrow of dots, they are arranged in a rows and columns. Okay, now, and this is known as a dot grid. So how do we draw this straight line on our dot grid? So first what we'll do, we'll mark any 2 points on the grid. Suppose we have marked here A and here B. Okay, then we join these 2 lines with the help of the scale. Okay, like this. See, and then we put arrows at both the ends. Okay, so this is a straight line. We can also draw the straight line by putting a scale on a vertical way like this. Okay, we marked here C and D and we put scale here, and then we draw a line like this. See here, so it is a straight line. On the dot grid we can draw a slanting straight line. Okay, so here we mark E and we mark F, and then we join these 2 lines. Okay, so it is a straight line and we put arrows at both the ends. So children, in this way we can draw the straight line. Now next is the curved line. The curved line is a line which bend or continuously bending is called a curved line. Like here, see, this is a curved line. Okay, it is bent. Now here this is a curved line in any shape. Okay, this is a curved line. Okay, so let us draw a curved line with the help of a paper. So here we have taken one sheet of paper, a pencil and a leaf. Okay children, then we have put leaf on the sheet of paper and we draw a line with the help of this leaf. And when we remove this pencil and the leaf, then we will see that a shape of the leaf is drawn on the paper like this. Okay, so this is a curved line. So in this way we can draw any shape on the paper. So here curved line, see, if we put 2 points A and B here, then we join the line and it is a curved line. Okay, next is here C, A, if we have taken 3 points A, B and C, and we have joined first A to B, then B to C, then this is a curved line. Next again C, A, we have taken 4 points A, B, C and D. So we have drawn first A to B, then B to C and C to D. So in this way we can draw lines on the dot grid. Okay, so let's draw the shapes on a dot grid, and first we are going to draw a triangle on a dot grid. So first we have marked A, B and C, and then we join these A, B and C points. So first A to B and B to C and then C to A. In this way we draw a circle. Okay, so let's draw a rectangle on the dot grid. Here first we draw 2 horizontal straight lines, then 2 vertical straight lines. Okay, and we mark the points A, B, C and D. So in this way we draw the rectangle on the dot grid. We can also draw a circle on the dot grid. Okay, so how will we do? Let us draw a circle. So we have adjusted the points. Okay, so the edges, the pencil can run along the edges. Okay, so we start here from here. So we have done from here, we have taken a coin of rupees 10 and we have kept it on the sheet of paper, and then we just start making a line, and then when we remove the pencil and the coin, then we'll get this circle in the dot grid. Okay, so we can draw any shape using the straight and the curved line on the dot grid. So here see, we can draw kite, we can draw sphere, star, leaf, waving flag, then alphabets, numbers. Okay, so we can draw any line, any form of it by using the straight and the curved lines. Okay children, so let's start with the exercise 6.1. Here, draw a horizontal line on the dot grid. So how do we do? So first take 2 points. Suppose this is A, this is B, and we join these 2 lines. So we get a straight line, and then we put arrows on both the ends. Now vertical dots are here. Again we have taken 2 vertical dots. Okay, A and B, A and B. Okay, and in this way we will draw a vertical line. Then slanting line we are going to do, then curved line on the dot, then triangle, then rectangle. Okay, so you have already done children square, then kite, then next is circle. So draw all these lines and the shapes on these grids. Okay, oval, star and different figures. Okay, then we are also going to do this letters of alphabets on the dot grid. Now next is the numbers on the dot grid. Okay, then we are going to draw the pattern of the design on the dot. Okay children, so this is your homework. Do it in your book children and practice it in your rough copy or your practice copy. So this is all for today children. Tomorrow we are going to learn about the tangent. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.